for transport. Verification protects every stage ahead.
The flow line officially begins.
Scale defines modern food production. Every system inside works as one. From this point forward, precision rules the process. Order is created from abundance. The first cleanse removes the outside world. Mechanical touch replaces manual effort.
Human judgment still leads the process.
Uniformity prepares the fruit for automation. Orientation increases downstream precision. Standards are enforced before transformation. Now, the real transformation begins.
This is where form finally changes.
Consistency is engineered, not assumed. One fruit, many final forms. Nothing valuable is left behind. Byproducts fuel other industries. Purity is refined at the molecular level. Stability protects flavor and safety. One source feeds multiple outcomes. From here, machines take the lead. Automation replaces repetition with reliability. Speed and accuracy work without fatigue.
Eyes made of coal, ride the flow, guide the flow.
Every gram is accounted for. Errors are corrected instantly. Cleanliness never pauses.
Data keeps the system alive.
Automation hands-off with perfect timing. The final refinement is about to begin. Perfection is measured in millimeters. Balance between freshness and stability. Flavor is locked in with precision. Temperature control stabilizes texture. Conditions are engineered for consistency. Human eyes make the final call. Every pack starts with exact grouping.
Safety is verified one last time.
Proof comes before permission. Before release, proof is required.
Random checks ensure universal trust.
Safety standards protect every consumer.
Texture defines the eating experience.
Appearance confirms maturity. Every batch leaves a digital trail. Only verified product moves forward. With quality confirmed, production resumes. The final stage turns product into promise. Precision protects freshness to the very end. Traceability travels with every unit. Scale transforms repetition into efficiency. Storage preserves the effort of every step before. Each pallet is prepared for a global journey. From factory floor to market roads.
And this is how modern factories produce pineapple from start to finish.